And we're talking about when you're on a campsite and you're branching or you're connecting to the electrical supply. In France, in England, maybe the current, or in America, the current's stable. But I'm going down to Morocco and they tell me the current very often fluctuates. Sometimes it's under 200 volts, sometimes it's over 250. So not wanting to burn my circuit boards on the fridge and other things in the camping car, I've purchased this voltage regulator. It's automatic. You just plug it in between your car, your van and the supply you're pulling from, and this little box will keep it at a constant 210, 220, whatever you set it to. I think it's 230 or something like that. Anyway, let me just show you the thing I've got. There we go. It's the Kemot 3000, SER 3000. There's a 2000 model. Well, let's go for another 10, 15 euros. We took the 3000 model. I'll open it up and show you what's inside the box. Comes very well packed. Maybe you can see the polystyrene that's all around it, keeping it nicely packed in its box. So you can see that it's a very simple front face. It has a LED screen telling you the power input, and you'll see it fluctuating if you've branched into an unstable source. And it'll, on the other side, it will show you, oh, let me see if I can just turn the camera down. On this side is the power coming in. If it's fluctuating, you'll see that. And on this side will be the power going out, which will be regulated automatically by this little box. There's nothing much to say about it, apart from it'll give you peace of mind. Let's move that out of the way. It comes, by the way, without this piece. I just got an old piece of cable, chopped it to the length I wanted it. And what I want to show you, what I would like to show you, is how to wire it in. Oh, I've got myself a wrong screwdriver, never mind. I've got a flathead in a cruciformed screw. Okay, as you can see here, I think you can see, I shall brighten this up. It says output, so we didn't put nothing in there at all. Here's your outputs, and this will say underneath there, let's just tilt it up, you can see input. Basically straightforward, even if you don't know anything about electric. L is live, it'll be the brown or the red, wherever you come from. The neutral is the blue, and the earth being the yellow-green. And it's very clearly marked. Don't follow the instructions in the booklet, because they tell you to plug it in here, which is wrong. You'll be pushing in 240 when it should be coming out this side. Anyway, guys, girls, wire it in there yourselves. Takes you 2 minutes. Get yourself a piece of wire, how long you need it. This part obviously is coming from the power source, where you're plugging into the mains. Comes in, goes through all the hurdy-gurdies, magic box of tricks, and it comes out here or here, whichever one fits your type of plug. If it pops as a reset, it's a circuit breaker. Press it to reset it, just there. Okay, let me show you that. So if anything goes wrong and it overloads, you press that and it will reset. Okay, I'll just put this cover back on and we get back to the other side. Well, it'd be easier like this, wouldn't it? Of course it will. It'd be easier if I had a magnetic Phillips head screwdriver. I'll just waffle on while I'm putting this screw in. Get yourselves a drink while I'm doing this. What have we got? We've got basically an on-off switch. switch it on. Again, power comes in here. Let's get a bit closer for you. So here we can see, if I'm moving really close, 888. That's a default. This is the power coming inside, and it'll show you what power's coming in. And on this side, it just does say output. Input can be fluctuating from 145 volts to 260 volts, and it will keep you a constant output of 230. Well, if you're going camping and you're not too sure if you're going to be on a stable supply, get yourselves one of these. I'm going to leave a link in this, of course. This is what this video is all about. Leave you a link. I got this off of Amazon, and if you purchase yours through Amazon, I'll get a little bit of commission. Doesn't cost you any more than I paid for mine. It just means you've watched the video, you've clicked on my link, you've gone to Amazon, you've decided to buy one. I thank you very much if you do that. Catch you in the next video, guys, and happy camping.